Well, everybody, we have just spotted some rose-ringed parakeets in the middle of the biggest park in Amsterdam. Whoa. We are in the Vondel Park, and look at all of these rose-ringed parakeets. Absolutely unbelievable. Just up there as well, there's two. Some more here. Colonies of feral rose-ringed parakeets have been sighted in Amsterdam since the mid-1970s, and recent surveys suggest that there are now over 4,000. As the birds prefer to nest inside trees, they tend to congregate around parks and gardens. And there they are. See you next time on Adventure Boys.